नमस्कार आणि योगा तुमकां सगळ्यांक. माझे नाव सचिन सुल्लेकर आणि तुम्ही पळयतात माय गोवा नेटवर्क. फाटल्या सप्तकान गोंयांतल्या फार्मा कंपन्यांनी गोंया भायर रिक्रुटमेंट ड्रायव्ह म्हळ्यार नोकर भरतीची जायरात दिल्ली आणि हाका लागून तांकां लोकांचो राग सहन करचो पडलो. लोकांनी तशेंच विजय सरदेसाय आणि कांय विरोधी पक्ष फुडाऱ्यांनी हे विशीं बोवाळ केल्ल्यान ह्या कंपनींनी ह्यो रिक्रुटमेंट ड्रायव्ह फाटीं घेतल्यो. उपरांत एका कंपनीन कांय अपरिहार्य कारणाक लागून आणि तुमच्या वैयक्तीक हस्तक्षेपाक लागून म्हळ्यार मुख्यमंत्रींच्या मुलाखती रद्द केल्यात अशें पत्र मुखेलमंत्री प्रमोद सावंत हांकां बरयले. गोंयच्या उत्पादन क्षेत्रातलो महत्वाचो वांटो आणि रोजगाराचो व्हडलो स्त्रोत आशिल्ल्या वखदा कंपनींनी राज्या भायर जावपी नोकर भरती हो गोंयकारांक कामार घेवप टाळपाचो यत्न आणि गोंयकारांचो अपमान असो आरोप गोंयांतल्या विरोधी पक्षांनी केला. कामगार मंत्री बाबूश मोन्सेरात हांकां आमी हे कंपनीच्या गोंया भायल्या नोकर भरती विशयी विचारले तेन्ना तांणी कंपन्यांनी तांकां नोकर भरतीची गरज आसता तेन्ना तांणी आपली रिक्वायरमेंट एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंजाक धाडची आसता आणि त्या प्रमाण एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंज उमेदवारांची नोकरी खातीर शिफारस करता अशी माहिती दिली. मात ही प्रक्रिया किंवा नियम कंपनी फॉलो करना. सध्याच्या कायद्या प्रमाण हे खातीर फक्त ₹500 फायन आसा आणि ही फायन भरून आमी सहज सुट्टले असो समज आशिल्ल्यान ह्यो कंपनी हे नियम इग्नोर करतात. मात आमी ह्या कायद्यात दुरुस्ती करून अशा कंपनी आड खर कारवाय करतले अशें कामगार मंत्री बाबूश मोन्सेरात हांणी सांगले. आता आमी पळोवया बाबूश हांच्यांनी कितें म्हळें ते.
केन्नाय रिक्रुटमेंट आसता कंपनीचे, कंपनी शूड सेंड वॉट इज देयर रिक्वायरमेंट टू द एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंज फर्स्ट and then afterwards employment exchange also sponsors candidates. Now this has not been done. Now for whatever, now this has not been done. As per the law of as per the legal this thing in labor law, that what is the fine actually? Fine is just 500, so they can easily get over it. So now whatever we are going to do amendment to that this thing, the severe penalties is imposed on any of these things. Because that is a part of the job that they have got to send it to the our employment exchange their recruitment.
सर खंयची कंपनी तुमचे कडेन ह्या बाबतींत कितें उलयल्या तांचे डिफिकल्टीज बीन
ना डिफिकल्टीज आसपाक जाय कित्याक देर इज नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ डिफिकल्टी आसपाक यू जस्ट फॉलो द लॉ द अमेंडमेंट वॉट एवर इज इन द एक्ट फॉलो द लेबर एक्ट दॅट्स वॉट वी आर ट्रायंग टू से यू आर नॉट डुईंग दॅट.
तुमचे कडेन अपॉइंटमेंट बीन कितें घेवप कारण ते सीएमाक मेळपाचे आसा अशें तांचे कितें तरी फाटल्या दिसांनी चलताले.
Now the CM, there's no problem. We will also meet CM. Okay. Because we need to get some amendment to be more stricter as far as the employment exchange is concerned. And because as far as this thing unorganized sector also, that also we are going to do some changes in that.
So फाटल्या फावटी जॉब एक हे जाल्ले मेला जाल्लो सगळ्यान व्हडलो जॉब फेअर तातूंतले तांच्यांनी कोणाक घेवंक ना आनी भायल्याक गेले.
ना तेतूंतले गेल्लेले तेणी तेतूंतले गेल्लेले. But what has which has come to our notice is these two companies which have pharmaceutical company who has basically advertised in other states for basically jobs in Goa. So first basically you need to test, you need to check whether in Goa whether the workforce is available or no. Then after you receive. But you should give an opportunity for everyone to receive. When since your factory is or your establishment is registered in Goa, so it is your
preference
no it's a reference is a different issue. The thing is what happens, you need to basically inform the department that Baba these are the
vacancies.
Then we will sponsor some candidate, whether those candidates are fit and all. Then after you decide, see what we need to do. Now any companies whichever come, the workforce, what is their requirement. आता हे आमचे ते what is that board which is that
investment promotion
board. आता investment promotion board आहे. Investment promotion board basically anything which they approve, basically they should actually just send it to the labor department, that at least one copy to the labor department, employment department, saying that these are the factories which intend to come. So if the factories are if anyone intends to put up a factory here, whatever the workforce what they require, their requirement is, so at least we can send our people for training to do that. And then after because if you don't have a trained staff, then it will become, so then you give a chance to the companies to say that whatever our requirement is that they were not fit for our requirement. So that is what we are trying to say. You will stick to the same also. This is good that CM took note of it.